Welcome Primary 3, with you is Miss Noura Abdurrahman, and today we are going to start lesson number 4, Vertebrates and Invertebrates. So let's start. What is the invertebrate? What is the vertebrates? Vertebrates are creatures with backbone. What's the meaning of creatures? Creatures mean anything Allah created. Anything Allah created called a creature, like human or animal or plant called creature. So we are creatures. A backbone. What is the backbone? Look at this picture. Can you see the backbone inside the human? This is our backbone. So humans have backbones. So humans are vertebrates, because vertebrates, there are any creature have backbone. So humans are vertebrates. What else? Animals. Some animals also have a backbone. These animals called vertebrates. The fish also has a backbone, so it's also a vertebrate. So vertebrates are creatures with backbone. Creatures with backbone, like humans and animals and fishes. So animals are classified into two groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates, they are creatures with backbone, like human, animals, and fishes. Repeat after me, vertebrates, vertebrates, vertebrates. What about the invertebrates? The invertebrates are creatures have no backbone. They don't have any backbone inside their bodies, like worms and some sea animals like octopus. So the invertebrates are creatures have no backbone, like worms and octopus. So again, vertebrates with backbone, invertebrates, invertebrates with no backbone. So with backbone, vertebrates, no backbone, and invertebrates. Excellent. The vertebrates are large in size and have more complex body than the invertebrates. Look at this elephant. It is a vertebrate. It has a complex body and a very large body and a complex body. Look at this worm. It is invertebrate. It has a small body and a very simple body with no backbone. So vertebrates are larger and more complex than invertebrates. The vertebrates are classified into five groups. Into five groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Fishes. 2. Amphibians. 3. Reptiles. 4. Birds. 5. Mammals. Fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. So how many groups for vertebrates? Five groups. Excellent. Now let's start. The first group, which is fishes. Fishes is vertebrates. They have a backbone. They lay eggs in water. Lay eggs in water. They make eggs and put it in the water. They make their babies inside eggs and put it in water. And they are breathing through their gills. Repeat after me. Gills, gills, gills. And gills is organ inside the fishes breathing with. We are human breathing with lungs, but fishes are breathing with gills. So the fishes lay eggs in water and breathe with gills. Lay eggs in water and breathe with gills, like sharks, like the sharks, and tuna fishes. Do you like tuna fishes? I like it too. So fishes like sharks and tuna fishes are vertebrates, lay eggs in water and breathe through their gills. Number 2, the amphibians. The amphibians like frog and salamanders. Again, frog, frog, frog. Salamanders, salamanders, salamanders. The amphibians are also vertebrates, have a backbone like frog and salamander. They lay eggs in water, lay eggs in water. So they also make eggs and put it in water. And they breathe through their lungs. They breathing through their lungs like us. So the amphibians breathing through their lungs, but the fishes breathing through their gills. So again, amphibians lay eggs in water and breathe through their lungs. Amphibians like what? Frog and salamanders. Number three, reptiles. The reptiles lay eggs on land, lay eggs on land, and breathe through their lungs. What is the meaning of lay eggs on land? They make eggs, they make their babies inside eggs and put it on land or on the ground. Land means ground, and they are also breathe through their lungs like us. They have a two lungs like us. So reptiles like what? Like lizard and snake. Lizard and snake. Repeat after me. Lizard. Lizard. Snake. Snake. So lizards and snakes are reptiles and they are vertebrates. They lay eggs on land and breathe through their lungs. Number four, the birds. The birds the birds are also vertebrates. They have backbone. They lay eggs on land. Lay eggs on land means put their eggs on ground or on land and breathe with lungs too, like us. So birds and also reptiles and amphibians are breathing with lungs. Okay, birds like what? Parrots. Parrots. After me, parrots. Parrots. Sparrows, sparrows, sparrows. So parrots and sparrows are birds and vertebrates have backbone. Now let's go to number five, the last group, which is mammals. The mammals are also vertebrates, have a backbone. They give birth. Give birth means make a baby inside their tummy. They not make a baby in the egg, they make a baby in their tummy and give birth. Give birth. They give birth and breathe with their lungs also. So the mammals breathe with their lungs and give birth, like humans, dog, and cat. So this is the five groups of vertebrates. What about the invertebrates? The invertebrates, some of them are very tiny, can be seen just by microscope. And microscope is a device we use it to see the very, very small things and make it a big things that we can see. And there is also a large invertebrates. So some of them are tiny and some of them are large. Also, some of them have no support in their bodies. There is nothing in their bodies make them strong. They are just like a jelly, like jellyfish, jellyfish, worm, worm, starfish, starfish, sponges, sponges. So, jellyfish, worm, starfish, sponges are invertebrates with no support in their body. Okay, what about the supported bodies? Some of invertebrates have something to support them, like the shrimp, like the shrimp. There is something coating the shrimp. So, shrimp with supported bodies. The desert snail also with supported body. Repeat after me. Desert snail, desert snail. So, shrimp and desert snail have supported bodies. Some of invertebrates have 6 legs, like insects. Let's count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 legs. So insects have 6 legs. What about the spiders? The spiders have 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 legs. So insects have 6 legs and spiders have 8 legs. With you was Miss Noor Abdurrahman and thank you for listening.